In this video, I will show you how you can turn on the flashlight on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now there are a couple of different methods to do that. For the first method, just open the control center, and in the control center you will find this torch icon. Now if you tap on the torch icon, you will turn on the flashlight of your iPhone. And similarly, if you tap on it one more time, it will turn off. Now if you cannot find this icon in the control center, just tap and hold on the empty space in your control center, then tap on add a control. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just tap on flashlight and add the flashlight shortcut to the control center. Now you can move it wherever you want. And once you're satisfied with the place of the shortcut, then tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Just like that. Now this was the first method. For the second method, just go to the lock screen. And in the lock screen of your iPhone, you will find this flashlight shortcut. Now to use it, just press on the shortcut to turn on the flashlight. And similarly, you can press on it one more time to turn it off. Now if you cannot find the flashlight shortcut on the lock screen of your iPhone, then just tap and hold on the lock screen of your iPhone and select Customize. Over here, just tap on the minus icon on the shortcut which you want to remove. Then tap on the plus icon, and from here just select flashlight. Now just tap on done, and then tap on your lock screen wallpaper, and you will add the flashlight shortcut to the lock screen, just like that. Now if you have the iPhone 15 Pro or the Pro Max, your iPhone will have the action button. Now you can map the action button of your iPhone to turn on or to turn off the flashlight. For that, just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on action button. And over here, just swipe to the right or to the left side and select the flashlight option. Now after you select flashlight, now you will be able to turn on or turn off the flashlight by just pressing and holding on the action button, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.